Sean Diddy Combs back in federal court today in New York after being charged with sex trafficking and racketeering. Combs trying to convince a judge to let him out on bail, and according to court documents today, offering to put up his multi-million-dollar home as collateral. Hip-hop star Sean Diddy Combs is back in a Manhattan federal courthouse today, fighting to be released on bail. His attorney writing in a letter to the court today that Combs is eminently trustworthy and should be released on a $50 million bond. The rapper offering to secure the bond with his $48 million Miami home, and the bond would be co-signed with his mother, sister, 3 adult sons, and mothers of his 2 daughters. Combs was arrested on Monday, and sources tell ABC News he has not been incarcerated with the general prison population. A judge denied him bail Tuesday after expressing concern that his alleged crimes occurred behind closed doors, with law enforcement unable to monitor his behavior.
Someone's presumed innocent, so you're presumed that you get bail. Not in this kind of crime. In this kind of crime, bail is not presumed. Furthermore, you've got the problem that he's accused of intimidating witnesses, of trying to interfere with the investigation. None of that helps him in his argument that he should get bail.
Combs pleaded not guilty to charges of racketeering and sex trafficking. A 14-page indictment alleges Combs manipulated women to participate in highly orchestrated performances of sexual activity with male prostitutes called freak-offs. Prosecutors allege he subjected young women to violence, use of firearms, threats, coercion, and verbal, emotional, physical, and sexual abuse.
Between at least 2008 and the present, Combs abused, threatened, and coerced victims to fulfill his sexual desires, protect his reputation, and conceal his conduct.
Combs' attorney telling CNN those so-called freak-offs were consensual.
It was adults and consensual, and everybody who was there wanted to be there.
And we just got this in just minutes ago. The judge in this case denied Combs bail once again today. So the attorney for Combs has said to the court today that his client has never run from a challenge and will not start now. If he is convicted of the alleged crimes, he faces decades in prison.